What it do, flight crew? All right, today we are going to be replacing fog lights in an 02 E39. This would be a 2002 BMW 525i. Got these crispy boys in here. That one's still packaged up, but this one is ready to see. It's gonna go in right in there. Yes, sir. Missing one on that side, so hopefully we have the harness. All right, anyways, first thing is first. I'm gonna grab you a trim popper tool, like so. There's gonna be these little, I already pulled these two out. I'll show you on the other side though, but they're just right up in here. Like so, yep. So, I will demonstrate on this side for you how it works. All right, so there's two on each side. There's one right there, and one right here. So what you're gonna do, get your fancy MacGyver tool right here. Come in here, slip that boy right over it. Like so. And just, oh. These ones are a bugger, eh? All right, like so. Same thing on this side. Pull it down. Comes right out. Woo! And the grill pops out. And now you have access to your fog light mounting bolts. All right, and those, oh, this one's broken. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna get these out real quick. All right, so we got our fancy 7mm.
Try and hit these boys.
Ooh, just falling to pieces, eh? Fell to pieces, look at that. Junk. All right, put that there. Let's grab this other one out.
All right.
Put those there, it should come out front. Is there any fancy way this comes out here? Oh, oh. All right, so that came off. Makes it a little bit easier to see. Oh, so sideways. You know, I'm thinking maybe it just doesn't come out to the front. Maybe, okay, so no, you pull this front piece out and then pull this out through the back, is what it is. Okay, there we go.
Get that guy down here, all right. There's the headlight.
For the fog lamp plug, squeeze those. Oh, all right, just came off. You couldn't even see the fog lamp plug, I don't think. But yeah, there's the plug, there's that. Grab this one out. Oh. Okay, direct plug-in. Sweet, that's nice. So it just plugs right into the back of the fog light. Plugs right into the back. Factory one's got this plug on it for the xenon bulb. So, just plugs right into the factory light. Clips in. See the clips on there? Alright. I'll let that hang for a second. Bring this up. And we're gonna fish this through the front side.
Let's see.
Alright, so we're gonna pull this cover off, put it to the side, fish it through from the back, get these hooked out to the front where they go, like so. Alright, so we'll get those lined up like that, and then we'll bring the cover in. Cover slides into these little brackets. Gotta love cheap Amazon lights, my boy. All right, there we go. So that's that. Grab the screws. Let that John grab. Take his top John. Screw it in with our fingers. All right, on to the next side. Woo! Tell y'all what, if it was not for this canopy, I would be dying. Yeah, anyways. All right, so we're gonna see if we can find the plug for the fog light, because I don't see it anywhere. I found it, and it is lovely looking. Would you just look at that? Love to find that. So I'm gonna see if I can repair that up because it's hanging on by literally 2 threads. That is not pretty, but we'll see what we can do. All right, so upon this lovely find here, I don't know if the GoPro will focus, but yeah, that's what we're dealing with. So I'm gonna see if I can deep-in this, strip this wire back up here to where I can get a butt connector to grab on it, because that's just gonna be a temporary fix. All right, so he doesn't want to fix it the right way, so this is just our temporary way of patching it for him. It is not a permanent fix by any means, but it will work for a little bit. All right, that's that. We're going to tape these boys up and call it a day on that. All right, so I've got this boy all taped up so the wires don't come loose. Go ahead and get this fog light slapped in. Before we do that though, low key, I've got to pull these bolts out, so I didn't do that yet. Who? Damn chargers. Alright, put a new boy in. Junk. Oh, cover is in there. All right, here's a new boy. First boy. All right, cover in the box. All right. So it's gonna go in from the back. It's a little opening right here. So bring this boy in right here. Swing this around like so. Grab this boy. Like so. I'm gonna slide it into these notches here. One on the bottom, one on the top. Pop and pop. All right. Lined up. Let's get these screws up in there. This is not recommended. I know my tools. All right, that's in. Looks good. All right, now let's get this boy plugged up in the bike. All right, so now we're gonna see these boys work. All right, throw the keys in. The lights are on. Should include fog lights. I don't think it's a fog light, but there's a fog light button. All right, let's turn fog lights on. Hey, we got one. Oh, we have two. Fog lights are working. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. Yes, sir. All right, so fog lights are in. They're working. We seen and got these boys back in. 2 clips there, 2 clips there. We'll go ahead and lower this bad boy down, and she is on the way out. That's it for today.